In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open multiple tabs in Notion. If you often bounce between a calendar, a database, and a document, opening pages in separate tabs can make your workflow feel effortless. The goal is to keep your main page in view while another page loads in its own tab, so you can switch instantly without losing context or your place on the page. Begin by navigating to the page you want to view alongside your current work. This can be any Notion page you see in your sidebar or directly in your workspace. Perform a secondary click on that page to bring up the context menu. On most mice, that's a right click. On a trackpad, use a two-finger click, and if needed, you can hold Control and click. When the menu appears, choose the option labeled Open in New Tab. As soon as you select Open in New Tab, your browser creates a new tab with that Notion page loaded. Your original page stays exactly where it is, letting you keep reading, editing, or referencing it without interruption. You'll notice the new tab appear along the top of your browser with the page title, which makes it simple to recognize. Now, you can move between pages just by clicking the tab you want to view, keeping related information a single click away. This approach works for any kind of Notion page, from quick notes to dashboards, databases, and nested subpages. It's especially helpful when you want to compare information, update a task list while reading meeting notes, or keep an overview open while you dive into detailed records. Database views open fully in the new tab as well, preserving filters and sorts so your context carries over. A quick note about environments. The Open in New Tab option is designed for use in a web browser. If you're using Notion's desktop app, the wording and behavior of the context menu may look different, and new content may open in a separate window rather than a browser tab. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you're viewing Notion in a standard browser window where tabs are supported. To stay organized, give your pages clear, descriptive titles so tab labels are easy to tell apart, and arrange your tabs to match the flow of your work. If you notice performance slowing on older devices, keeping only the tabs you actively need can help. And that's it. With a simple right click and selecting Open in New Tab, you can open multiple Notion pages at once and move through your work faster, more clearly, and with far less context switching.